Hello everyone! So today we are making coconut chocolate bars. It is so easy and we need only 3 ingredients. So let's start. Take some grated coconut and add condensed milk into it. Now mix it well with a spatula. Grind your coconut filling in the mixer for a few seconds so you can get a thick mixture like this. Now take some filling in your hand and mold it in rectangular bars. Now take some melted chocolate and dip your coconut bars into it. You can add sprinkles for decorating your chocolate bars. Your coconut chocolate bars are now ready.